Holy shit. Do you guys hear this? This is what woke me up. So outside of my window, you can spot them. You probably can't. This is my little like screen protector or whatever. My window. If you can spot any birds, which I'm sure you can. There goes the one. There goes like 4 over there. Look at that. Oh my god. They are everywhere. Freaking surrounding my house. Look at this. Oh my god. I hope you guys can hear this. Look at that. They're just everywhere. They're everywhere. Like, look at this. Here they come. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's some like right over there. Hold on. Right there. See them all? This is fucking crazy. There's like piles of shit on top of my house probably. Oh my god. Look at all the stuff like on my driveway just because of this. It's crazy. Oh, look at them. Here they go. Oh my god. They're like having tree wars. That side versus this side. Now my dog's going at it. My dog's getting attacked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. They're like, look, there's like the freaking watchtower right there. Look at this. This is fucking amazing. Fucking birds, shut up! Okay. Oh no. Oh no. They're gonna come after me. Alright, so my sister came in here because she heard them. And they're not in my trees anymore. I came up here and she was like, they all just stopped chirping all at once. And then flew away and started chirping in. So now they're way over there in those trees. I can see them actually, you probably can't. I see a bunch of them just flying right now. But I went downstairs and my dad said, there, because the worms are coming out of the ground. Yippee. It is pretty moist, so I guess that's why. Look, people over there are like coming out of the house. It's pretty creepy.